Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue what we did on Friday. If you remember, on Friday we used these square tiles and we made different arrays. So I'm going to show you what we did, just to remind you. So we took 12 square tiles and we made different arrays. One of the arrays some of you made were 3 groups or 3 rows of 4. So here's 3 rows, and each of these rows has 4. So there's one array of 12, 3 rows of 4. Another one that some of you did, and I'm going to push this just aside so you can see more. Another one that some of you did was 2 rows. So you decided that you could do 2 rows. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, oh my gosh, and here's my 2 rows. Now, how many is in each row? Let's count that. 2 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rows of 6. So that's 2 different arrays for the number 12. What if I did 1 row? And this time I'm going to do 1 column right here. Let's see how many I'm going to need for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It goes off my screen. But you know that that would be, basically that's 12 rows of 1. Okay, now what I'm going to be asking you to do today is the same thing as you did with these number tiles, but you're going to do it with centimeter paper. Here is your centimeter paper. Each of you are going to get 8 pieces of this centimeter paper. And you are going to cut out different arrays for the assigned numbers. So let's pretend that the first assigned number is 12, okay? You're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut out one of the arrays for 12. So for example, I could start and I could do my 1 row of 12. So I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have to go all the way over there. Okay, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic. So here is one of my arrays. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. So there's 1 row of 12. Place that there so you can see that. Then I'm going to make another array. So another array would be 2 rows. And as I did on the sheet, it was 2 rows of 6. So here we go. 2 rows of 6. Make sure I have it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rows of 6. I'm going to set that down. The third one I have is 3 rows of 4. So let me do my 3 rows. And there's my 4. So here's my 3 rows of 4. And there you go. So now I have all 3 of my arrays for the number 12. I'm going to move my tiles out of the way because I can't work with them there, because I'm going to have to be gluing these to a sheet. So, and again, you will all get a bunch of different sheets of construction paper. You'll get black and red and purple and orange and blue. And each one of those will have a different number on them. For my example, I'm going to use brown. Now, nobody will have brown. This is just Mrs. Hamilton's example. And on this paper, I am going to write arrays of 12. Okay, and I'm going to take my different arrays and I'm going to glue them to this paper. Okay, so here they are. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write what they are. So this is 2 rows of 6. This is 1 row of 12, and this is 3 rows of 4. Now, that just helped me find the factors of 12. I know now that 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, and 12 is a factor. So over here, I can write factors of 12. And I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And then that sheet is complete. Then I'm going to move to the next sheet. You will do this for the numbers 16, 15, 20, 36, and 45. You will get a different color for each sheet. You will get enough centimeter grid paper to make all of your arrays, and you will make the arrays and then list the factors for each of those numbers. Enjoy, and I'll see you later.